Welcome back guys. So today I'm going to do another tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you the tutorial of Quizlet. Okay, so for the first timer, as usual, you need to sign up, or if you have an account, then you can go to log in. So let's say I'm already have the account, so I will log in very quickly first. Wait for the loading. Will be okay. So after you log in or after you sign up, these are the main page of the Quizlet. So for the first one, as you can see over here, you can create your own flashcards. So say I want to create my flashcard. Wait for it. So here you can either scan the document or select the image, paste text, select the file if the file is in the PDF, PowerPoints, or in the words. Okay, you can select the file, or you can even create manually by create the topic and the description. Okay, let's say okay, you can see on the bottom one. Okay, on the second one is you have the create. Okay, the first one is the flashcard sets. Okay, that's like the first one. Okay, and then you can go to the study guide, or even you can create a practice. So if you create the practice, then you can select the file, or you can upload the first flashcard sets, or even you can paste the text. So this one will help the students to understand better about the topic that you already teaching them. So, and also the study guide. Okay, the study guide is, let's say I'm uploading one of my say I choose this one, the image. Okay, it will generating your study guides. Okay. It might be take some time to generate your information depending on the size of your upload. Let's say if the file is bigger, and then it will take more time. So let's say I will take the size by compilation and function in the digestion. So they will show you the overview, the function, what is the composition of file, and the role. So after that, it will also generate you the flashcards. You can see over here. And then, if you don't want to see this swipe over here, right? So you can also choose the other ways to study this flashcard, by learn or by test or even match. And they also show you the sample essay question. Like I said, on the real exam, we have the simple essay question, right? So these are types of the sample essay questions. So they also show you the difficulty of the essay question. If you click view more, they will show you more types of sample questions and different difficulty. Let's say this one, you can see this one. The difficulty is the maximum. Okay. You can choose what types of the question, and you can try to answer it and compare it with the outline. Do to see if your understanding is better or not. Okay. This one, quick references, is good for students in their quick study for exam. So they no need to reading or memorize one by one of these, but they can quick reference of what is the component and the simple description, and also have a key function, key location, how to memorize, fact of memorize, and problem solving step. This will help your students to understand better about the topic or the subtopic that you learn, that you teach to them. Okay. Next, we have a folder over here. So let's say you're teaching two classes, physical and health, Form 4 and physical and health, Form 5. So you can create one of the folder to make sure your materials, your test, your sample question, your flashcard is organized in one folder. You see, I already create this folder for PJK Form 4. So this will be organized this will organize my materials. So this will make sure the teachers not mess up with others' classes. Okay, if you go over here, on the bottom one is you can see the class. Okay, this is where you create your class for your students. So let's say I already create the classes. You see over here, yes, I already create for PJK Form 4 students. So you can add your materials, your flashcards, your tests, your announcement in here, and also you can see who sign up to your classes. So if you want to invite your students, you can go to three dots on the top right, and then you can go to invite member. Okay, so you copy the link, and then you can paste in your WhatsApp or give to the students. If you don't want to create by your own flashcard sets, you can also get it from the other users or the other teachers. So let's say this one is about the Earth system. So it's by other teachers, which is Nazmas 94. So this one is the flashcard, and I still can give it to my students to learn and memorize this and practice the test. Okay, we go back to the flashcards. I will go back here. Sorry. Okay, I go back here. Okay. As you can see on this one, okay, if you have already created your flashcards, you can see over here we have a game, 3 games: class, match, and blocks. So this one, these features help students to learning with more fun, because some students don't really like to reading and memorize, so they learn by play games. So these features help the students who needs to play game to memorize and understand better in the subtopic or the topic you teach them. Okay. If you go to the library, is where your folders, if you have created the folders, this is where the folders will be stored. And then if you have a classes, you already create the classes, then this one will be your classes. Okay, so easily for the teachers to find your classes, your materials, your folders and everything. So if you have already created the flashcard, this all is your flashcard sets. If you have generated the test and then same goes to flashcard sets, it will be on here. Same goes to the study guides. If you have created study guides for your students, then it will be here. Okay, but okay. So basically, the Quizlet helps the teachers to organize their materials, their tests, their flashcards, to help the students understand better about their topic and to make sure the student can learn at their own pace at home, and they can do it anywhere in the schools or even at the home. So that's all from me for the Quizlet. So I hope the teachers can try it out and give it try to your students, so you can get your teaching style better and the students' result performance will turn out better. So see you in the next video. Thank you.